Hello everybody. We have today a very special guest, a wonderful person and a great friend of mine, Mr. Harish Singla. He's Senior Vice President and Business Head of Bancassurance for both General Insurance and Health Insurance. And he heads the Sales and InsurTech specialization in embedded asset credit product and cross-sell of insurance products. And particularly, you should know that he has a 23 plus years of diversified experiences across retail banking, bancassurance operational strategies, digital marketing, tactics, and steering the life and general insurance business with companies like ICICI and HDFC Banks. Very warm welcome to you, Harish. Now, it's my privilege to be talking to you on a subject which is very close to heart of many people. And in fact, post-COVID, everyone is interested in knowing a lot about health insurance. So let us start with health insurance. A lot can happen with health insurance. So to begin with your expertise, we would like to know from you, what is health insurance?
Thank you very much, Alpana, for having me on your show. I'm really delighted to be part of this discussion, talking about health insurance. This topic is always very close to my heart because for me, health insurance is not just a product which is getting sold. It is more of a social service and help we are extending to a person who need in times of exigencies. Health insurance, as it has of its name says, that health insurance or a medical insurance is a product that provides coverage for expenses in the event of an illness or injury. It safeguards hard-earned funds from being spent on expenses related to hospitalization, medicine, and consultation, and more. A health insurance policy is an agreement between you and your insurer that binds them to cover you financially in case of any medical emergency. Now, this is a product, so there are many options also available in the country. Choosing a suitable policy for yourself or your family is necessary so that you can relax when it comes to paying hefty medical expenses. I hope that this covers by and large of a health insurance.
That's, you have made it very simple and, people can understand how you have explained health insurance. But, many people ask, why should I buy health insurance? So what's your take on that?
This is important for each and every individual who is living as a single individual also, or with a family. It's an effective medical insurance policy is essential because the prices of medicines and hospital treatments are rising day by day. And it's very difficult to cope up with those expenses. And there are records available that out-of-pocket medical expenses are spent up to 65% in comparison to much lesser in Western countries.
Very true.
Accident or a critical illness befalls you, it may cause a huge financial burden for you and your dependents. We have seen many times people get bankrupt or people don't have money, they have to sell their assets just to get the medical treatment done. That is, I would say that's a absolute requirement for buying health insurance.
Exactly, and many youngsters, they feel that, they don't require because they are perfectly okay now. But you rightly explained how important it is for everyone at every age to take this insurance. And of course, now that we have spoken about the importance of health insurance and why everyone should buy it, how will health insurance pay for my emergency medical expenses? If you can, throw some light on that.
If a customer has a medical insurance policy, he has done a good choice of choosing the right policy as per his need, the family. He can avail the benefits of cashless health insurance plans if you visit a network hospital for treatment. This means that you don't have to arrange for funds from your pocket while getting quality health care. All you need to do is inform the insurance desk in the network hospital about your policy number. they will arrange for the pre-authorization letter from your insurance company, and the hospital bill settlement will be taken care of smoothly by hospital and your insurance. So it's very easy for that matter.
Yeah, and that is so encouraging for people, and it is at least you feel that okay, things will be taken care of very fast. And of course, you touched upon it, but what is the eligible age? What do you feel to buy health insurance? What is the right age when they should start buying health insurance?
As soon as I would say that a person should start, looking for a right health insurance plan. Buying a health insurance policy at a younger age of life is highly recommended. The entry age would vary although from insurer to insurer. But when you are young, there are many benefits you have of buying a health insurance policy.
Yes, I truly agree with you. But will I be allowed to cover my family under my health insurance policy?
Yes, of course. Under the individual health policy, the proposer and dependent family members can be covered in the plan with separate sum assured. Whereas in a family cover, where family floater cover covers the family as a whole.
So good to hear that. Tell me one thing, one pertinent question. Will I be allowed to buy more than one health insurance plan? Is it possible, or we can take only just one single policy?
Yes, you can have more than one medical insurance policy. You can also opt for a top up or super top up as per the requirement. Like in many of the corporates give to their employees a base policy, and if you wish to increase the cover, you can always look for a top up or a super top up of a higher value, which can help you to take a higher cover.
Yeah, and actually with the expenses going so high, I think it's really required. Particularly top-up policies can be very helpful, yes.